Okay. Hey shoppers, how you doing? So we have a video here for you, which is a new video. For those persons who love to shop on Shein, but don't know how to add their address. Yeah, we're talking about you. Okay, so we're gonna help you out. So we're gonna show you in this video how to add your STJX to your Shein account, alright? It's very simple. First, you're gonna navigate to that little icon that looks like a person, right? And after you've done that, you'll click on your name, right? It's gonna populate like a little dashboard, right? Yeah, that's a little icon right there. Okay, and then the next thing that you're gonna look for is my account. Now it's gonna vary depending on the device that you're using. Like if you're using an app, it might look a little bit different, but the principles are basically the same. You're gonna look for address book, and then from there you're gonna be able to add an address. All right, and this is a very simple procedure, by the way. All you have to do is add your first name, your last name, add your number. The thing about it is I don't believe they support Jamaican numbers currently. I'm not sure if they are gonna probably in the future, but there's a workaround. What you can do is you can either try your number first to see if it works, because I've heard that a lot of persons have been successful, right? But other than that, you could probably add 813 before your number, okay? And then what you're gonna do now is select manually add your address or input your address, right? And then you're gonna add the address line exactly how it is from your STJX account, right? So basically, it's a very quick, step-by-step procedure. It doesn't necessarily have to take a lot of time for you to do, as long as you're just reading along the way, right? And always remember to add your STJX number in line 2. That is very important to help us to identify whose package this item, or where or which locker this item should go to. The reason for this is because we have had customers who share the same name, the same exact name as you. Yes, you. And the thing is, when that happens, how are we going to differentiate between, two John Does or two Jane Does, or, the whole mix, right? So what we came up with is a mailbox number to identify that, oh, this is for that Jane Doe, and that one is for the other Jane Doe. Makes it more easier, okay? We will be able to, create less mistakes by doing this, and helps our work progress to be so much more efficient, okay? So just add it exactly how it is on your STJX account. Okay, there's nothing else to be added but what you see on your dashboard for your STJX account. All right. So just add the details as you go along, and ensure that you double check that all the information that you're adding is correct and corresponds with your STJX account details. Okay. Alright, so this is to ensure that, you're preventing anything from going to the wrong place. Alright? Okay. So, once all of that has been added, you can definitely go ahead and save that information. Alright? Once you save that information, you can go ahead and start making your purchases. So there's actually another step that we're going to show you, is we could add an address from your cart as well. And this is what we're going to show you now. So let's say that you have an item in your cart. If you go ahead and proceed to checkout, you're gonna see what's gonna happen, alright? So once you're on the checkout page, you notice it says shipping address. And you can also navigate said addresses, alright? So you can add, you could switch around, or, you know, because you do have multiple shipping options with STJ Express. You have standard air, standard sea, you have express premium, right? And that is for persons who have packages with urgency. Now, what you can also do from the checkout is you can actually add your payment method of choice, right? If you use PayPal, or if you just have a Visa debit or a Visa credit card, you know, some of these options are not available to Jamaicans, right? But I think Google Pay Wallet should be available. Yeah. So for some devices, you might see that option available as well, that you can actually use Google Pay to pay for your items, okay? Alright, so this basically concludes our video for today, and I hope that it was very informative for you. And you know, I hope you guys do enjoy this summer with these sales. And I mean, it's chaotic, but we got you. Don't worry about it, alright? You can continue to ship. We'll definitely bring your packages in for you safe and sound. And thank you again for making it STJ Express. Enjoy the rest of your day.